The next cocktail we're doing was created by Giuseppe Gonzalez and Richard Baccato, who are two New York City bar owners, and they owned a bar called PKNY, and this is called the PK. PKNY was originally called Painkiller, but they had to change their name because they were sued by Pussers Rum for using the word painkiller, because apparently, even though you cannot trademark a recipe, you can trademark a name. So because they called their bar Painkiller, Pussers Rum claimed irreparable harm and sued them, and guess what? Pussers Rum won, so they became PKNY, and this is the PK. So first thing we're gonna do is 1.5 ounces of pineapple, 3/4 of an ounce of orange juice, 3/4 of an ounce of cream of coconut, and I'm actually using Coco Lopez today, but if you wanna know how to make your own, just click the link above. And 2 ounces of Virgin Islands rum. Add that skosh of ice. Give it a nice whip shake. Just dump that into our glass. Some more pebble. And now we are going to just generously grate nutmeg. So there it is, guys, the PK. I kind of feel like the makers of Banana Boat went to the Virgin Islands, right? They went to Jost Van Dyke, where this cocktail was first created, to the Soggy Dollar Bar. So there it is, guys, the PK.